We're extremely elated. And since the news has come in last afternoon, we've been inundated with calls, congratulatory messages, we giving sound bites. The team has been calling off and on each other, video calls, and it's just a very gratifying and wonderful feeling. I think Lapata has a lot of things in the right places. I feel there is a nice subtle messaging that the film has. It is a refreshing change of pace. It is a refreshing change of flavor from the normal films that we've been seeing of late. There's a sense of honesty to the narrative. The effort looks extremely sincere, and the film is very simple and yet profound in a way. And I think all of this packaged into one neat product makes for a great entry to the Oscars. I think the most wonderful thing that has worked in favor of Lapata is the instant identification and resonance that it has had with the people. People have loved the characters, they've made them their own, they've laughed with them, they've cried with them. So I feel that that identification uh, is something that has this deep rooted connect with the film. Also, one of the most primary things about Lapata Ladies is that it is breaking societal conditioning that has existed over generations. And you, I, your parents, my parents, all of us have gone through this conditioning. So the problems that the characters face are problems that we have faced at some point in our lives, the women have faced in their lives. So when those women find solutions to their problems, the victory seems like your own, it seems personal. And that is why the connect is so strong with this film. Yes, so the idea was basically to not be preachy about the whole thing and yet address the issues at hand with the most sincere and immediate effect. The kind of characters, the kind of problems, the kind of society and the landscape that was shown in Lapata was so real, was so raw and rugged that people felt that instant connect. And the reason why we were able to do that was also some flawless direction and acting by the cast. A lot of these faces were completely unknown. So people did not have any preconceived notions about these faces. They did not come with any kind of baggage. They did not come with controversies. They did not come with the usual gloss that is associated with film stars. That made it very easy for people to, in a way, just be peeping into a household and being related to the problems that were going on. He's a wonderful, reticent chap, and I'm sure he'd be very happy to talk to you. And he served us a beautiful story on a platter, and it has been so easy to draft a screenplay based on what he had already written. Incredulous. मतलब स्नेहा जी हमारी फिल्म ऑस्कर्स जा रही है and I was like विप्लव जी we finally we like going so it's surreal for first time writers. It's also a dream that you do not have the audacity to dream when you're writing for the first time. So just be your first film being appreciated or being a commercial success is something you're most happy to settle for, but to for it to get the kind of adulation that Lapata Ladies got was surreal for all of us. The stars, the cast, the crew, all of us are relatively new to the industry, and to have such warmth and outpouring of love is beautiful. Not really. I think the citation is not a clear indication of what the entire association or the entire jury stands for. So I would like to give them that benefit of doubt because it could have been drafted by anybody else as well. Yes, they could have been a little careful, but I wouldn't want to read so much into it. And for not having any women member on the jury is a call I don't know how they would have taken or the higher powers would have decided. But despite that, Lapata Ladies making it is again a wonderful thing. Well, Lapata has given me a great shot in the arm as a debutant writer. So a lot of industry insiders are sitting up and taking notice. There have been calls, there have been feelers, there are meetings happening with a lot of wonderful production houses. They finally have some kind of a face attached to a name of a newcomer. So yes, it is hopefully going to open up some wonderful avenues for me, and I'm looking forward to saying some great stories through them. As far as going to LA is concerned, yes, we would absolutely love to be there, the whole team. But that is when we make it to the final five. There's the long list before that, the short list, and then the final five. So it's again a long shot, but we're very hopeful.